What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money-making strategy that you can do right now in order to make some passive income. It's going to take a little bit of upfront work. I'm going to be showing you how to do this 100% passive at the end of the day. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about express.dutchycorp.space. This is a website that has been around for quite some time, guys, and this website finally has something to make it passive. I'm going to be showing you something brand new inside of this website, so make sure you keep on watching this video and not just exit out as soon as I show you the passive method. So once we have logged into our account, you can see I only have 181 Dutchy. Now I'm going to be showing you something really cool inside of this website, guys. So what Dutchy pretty much is, it is an auto faucet where you can actually get some Dutchy to make this claim automatically, just like random Satoshi. So you just have to save up enough Dutchy in order to actually get auto claims, and you can get all of these tokens right here, guys. But now I would recommend you not doing that, just because there is a passive way to actually get started making money with Dutchy Corp now. So once you're right here on this page, guys, let's go over here where it has a Bitcoin, where it says earn Dutchy. Click on that. You're gonna get seeing two things where it says ready. Now click on Dutchy roll real quick. I want to show you how you can actually start to earn some Dutchy every 30 minutes. So it says right here, your roll is ready. You can claim every 30 minutes. So let's just claim this really fast. You're gonna get popped an ad, and let's click on rise and shine. So let me type in rise and shine really quick. Let's click on roll. You can boost your roll if you want to as well, but I'll just roll just to make it go quicker. Now we can come back. So I've earned 250 Dutchy right there, guys. So now I'm going to click on this Bitcoin button right here again. We're going to click on roll, coin roll, and then once we have done that, we're going to solve another captcha really quick, guys. It doesn't take that long at all. So let me just exit out of that ad. Let's click on head case. So head case. And once you have done that, click on roll right there, and it should go straight through. And let's see, there it is. So I have earned 41,562 nano. So I would highly recommend you guys just sticking doing this every 30 minutes as much as you possibly can. You can do this on your mobile device as well. Now I'm going to show you something very interesting in here. Click on this earn Dutchy one more time. Now if we just come over here where it says interests, now click on there right there, guys. It's going to lead us to a page just like this one. Now look at this, guys. You can see exactly how much I have staking inside of this account already. So it says right here total rewards, total staked, and you can see all of these little different level systems. So look, let's go to the first one real quick. So it says minimum amount required is going to be 100,000 Dutchy. Minimum amount required 100,000, 100,000. There's three, so 100 million, I would say. So let's. I think I'm right here in this one. So right now, guys, I just went to go check it out real quick. So I'm actually earning some Atom. I have some money staked inside of this Atom. I have deposited, I think, a little bit more than 5,000 Dutchy, just whatever I had inside of my account at that time. So let's go to stake now on here. You can choose either one of these or whichever one fits your needs. But I just went ahead and did Atom just for no reason. I just wanted to start to earn some passive income with Dutchy, guys. So it says my staking funds is going to be 87,186. It says I have 1,200 Dutchy available, and it says my rewards unclaimed amount. So I have 533 Atom as we speak, guys. Now I can claim this if I want to right now, or I can just stake some more or unstake what I have inside of my account. So the way I'm going to try to play this out, guys, is, so think about it, guys. You really need to think about it whenever using these type of websites, because you want to make the most money possible. So here's what I'm thinking. So I have 87,000 Dutchy. I have another 1,200 on top of that. So that's going to be 88,000, almost 100,000 Dutchy, guys. So let's go back really quick. Let's go right back to the main screen. I just wanted to show you that I'm already staking inside of this account. So I have almost 100,000 Dutchy. So the reason why I put it in here is I have zero idea why, just possibly because it's giving me 8% interest. If we come down here, we can only get 10% interest on BTT. All we need is 1,000. So this is 2,000. This is these numbers are higher. So here's what I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm going to try to claim as much as I possibly can on the 30 minutes, like I showed you inside of these two, the Dutchie row and the coin row. And you can even earn interest or money on CPU miner or GPU miner, and you can even level up bonuses on top of that, guys. So think about it. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing these two right here as much as I possibly can until I have enough Dutchie to take out of both, and then start to deposit it inside of here where I can earn Dutchie tokens on top of Dutchie tokens. So if you think about it, guys, you're going to be earning money while you wait and get a bigger enough balance to put inside of this account right here, so you can start to earn 30% on your Dutchie tokens. And once you have earned money from here, take out as much as you possibly can without losing this interest, and then start to deposit it inside of these accounts, guys. That is my philosophy. That is what I am thinking. So you can start to earn as much cryptocurrency as you possibly can with this website, guys, that is officially doing Dutchie staking. How crazy is that, guys? Just by holding a token, you can earn some more cryptocurrency passively. It takes a little bit of upfront work, but if you just stay consistent and get started doing this strategy, you can start to earn some passive income super easy. Let me see if I even have enough to stake on here, guys. So let me just copy this real quick. I don't think I have enough. So paste and stake. And they're invalid amounts. So I'm just going to continue holding, or I can put this 1,000 Dutchie inside of that other one, which is BTT down here. Let me just go back out of this account real quick, which is this one, because all I need is 1,000. So I can easily deposit it in there, but I really want some ADA and Atom until I have enough to start to support this one. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team would do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast. A secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.